In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use an Atlassian API token for Confluence and integrations. An API token is like a unique key that lets trusted tools access your Atlassian data securely without sharing your password. It's safer than reusing passwords, and you can revoke it anytime without disrupting your main login. First, open your Atlassian account settings. You can start from any Atlassian cloud product. Click your avatar and choose account settings. If you're already on the account site, great. You're in the right place. From the menu, go to security. This is where login verification and token management live, so it's the central hub for protecting your account. In security, find the API token section. This panel lists any tokens you've created and lets you manage or revoke them when they're no longer needed. It's helpful to check here before creating a new one so you don't accidentally duplicate tokens for the same purpose. Next, click Create API Token. Atlassian will prompt you for a few details and then generate a token once you confirm the action. This process is quick and doesn't affect your existing sessions. Add a clear name for the token. Pick a label that explains what it's for, like Confluence integration, reporting script, or CI pipeline, so you can recognize it later. Descriptive names prevent confusion and make cleanup easier if you ever need to remove access. After you confirm, Atlassian shows the token only once. Copy the token and store it safely. Treat it like a password. Save it in a secure password manager or a secrets vault, not a shared document or code repository. If you lose it, you'll need to create a new one. You can't view it again later. Avoid emailing or posting the token anywhere public. Now use the token for Confluence API access or integrations. Wherever a tool asks for your Atlassian credentials, use your Atlassian account email as the username and this token in place of your password. Many apps have a field labeled API token or personal access token. Paste it there. For scripts or connectors, add the token to the integration's secret settings instead of hard coding it. If an integration fails, double check that the token is active, that your account has the needed permissions in Confluence, and that you didn't paste extra spaces. And that's it. You opened your account settings, went to security, created and named a token, stored it safely, and learned how to use it with Confluence and other integrations. Keep tokens limited to what you need. Delete any you no longer use, and you'll keep your environment secure while enabling automation.